I'm Amy Souders,
Hi, I'm Michelle Wishon.
and we're here to talk to you today about the Certified Instructor Track at this year's summit.
And we can't wait to see you at the summit this year.
Yeah, and I think I get to kick things off with my session. We're going to be talking about grading investigations and how to use the TapRooT grading tool to help other TapRooT trained users become better at using TapRooT. With the goal of people improving their investigations and overall a company improving their investigations. And so that'll be the first session that we'll start with. And then a little later in the track, we're going to have another session about improving. Alex Paradise is going to head up a session that talks about learning teams in TapRooT. And learning teams is something that we have heard a lot about this past year. It's been a popular
Hot topic.
Yes, popular topic. And so Alex is going to talk about how you can use TapRooT and include TapRooT to improve your learning teams. So I'm really excited to sit in and hear that session too.
Oh, yes, for sure. Yes. And one of our other sessions is going to be the instructor share teaching best practices. And that's going to be taught by Broder Illing and Mubashar Ahmed. And they are going to talk about some best practices for teaching our two-day course in-house. So Broder is going to give you some tips on teaching the two-day course and what he has learned. And Mubashar is going to give you some tips on investigating as a certified instructor. They're both very great certified instructors and have both taught a lot of courses
extensively
internally. So we are looking forward to both of them talking for us. And I would recommend, if you are a new certified instructor, that you attend the session to get some tips. And even if you're not, it's good to go in there and just to sit and listen and ask questions. So we're really excited about that session. Another good session that we're having, and we have every year, and it's a really popular session, is the TapRooT User Success Stories. And that's going to be by Jason Dalen and Vincent Vinchek. And they're going to share some of their success stories that they've had over this past year at their companies. And we're really excited to hear their stories and what TapRooT has done at their companies. So that should be very exciting to hear. We're always happy to hear how TapRooT has helped in these companies and how it's helped to save lives, and that makes us very happy.
Yeah, we like to say we're changing the way the world solves problems.
Absolutely.
And those are two gentlemen that are definitely doing that in their companies.
They are, yes. We have two other sessions that we don't want to leave out.
Oh, absolutely. Don't forget about software, right?
No, can't forget about our software. So what's new in the TapRooT software?
Yes, absolutely. That'll be a great session that we always look forward to. Those improvements make our lives a little bit easier.
Yes.
And a little bit easier to use the software too. So it'll be great to review what's new, and I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, me too. We always have great improvements and great changes, and we always listen to our users. So anytime you have suggestions for us, just send them over to us, our IT team, or any of us here, and we'll send them over to our support team, and they listen. So send them over. And our last session on Friday is our TapRooT instructor new material session. So if you're a certified instructor, you need to attend that if you want your new material.
Absolutely. Alex has been really hard at work getting those materials ready for everyone, and it'll be a great session and a good way to learn what's new.
Yes, absolutely. And Amy and I have those goodie bags for you, so you got to be in there if you want your goodies.
Everybody wants their goodies, don't they?
Yeah. Oh, and you have to be in there if you want to keep teaching for 2 more years. So.
Absolutely. Well, I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to the summit. I'm looking forward to see everyone. It's just a great networking opportunity, and I have learned over the past year that talking to and working with other instructors is really the best way of becoming a better
It
instructor.
really is.
And these
yeah.
sessions are all designed to do that. So I'm really looking forward to
Yeah.
it. It'll be a good few days down in Texas.
Oh, absolutely. It's one of our most popular spots for the summit, and the networking there is fabulous. And we just can't wait. We're excited to see everybody.
Yeah.
So,
Look
yeah.
forward to seeing you there.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.